Welcome to the BINS, where there's every man or woman for themselves. If you see an item you want, you have to be quick and grab it. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, Miss Happy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase out the new deals year round. Today, I'm taking y'all with me to the BINS, my favorite place to go. Make us some money. Some money, yes, money. I said some money. Can I borrow this basket? Go ahead. Thank you. Can never go wrong with an all black shoe. I wanted to pick up these Nikes, but unfortunately I couldn't find the other shoe. Then I spotted these Adidas, but boom, they had a hole in them, so I had to toss them back. These Converse were unique, so I snagged them. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I cleaned them up and to see the listing price. It never fails. When I'm in the BINS, someone always puts a dope item back. And this right here is a hiking backpack, brand new from Big 5, and it retails for $99. So of course I snagged it. Then I spotted these brand new hydration packs. They're good for when you go hiking. I have one myself and I paid around 30 bucks, so I grabbed these because they both were brand new. Okay, so then I found this New Balance shoe. Of course, New Balances do well for me, so I snagged these shoes. I just had to find a matching pair. And then I also seen that gentleman put those shoes down, so I had to go see those. So I rush over and I realized it's a New Balance. Wait, I didn't realize it yet. Oh, I realized it now. It's a New Balance 990, yes! But wait, where's the matching pair? So I went back and I observed this tiger shoe, so of course I had to grab that. These could do really well, but guess what? I couldn't find the matching shoe. It wasn't in that same pile. So I started digging.
15 minutes later.
I'm still looking for the matching pairs, and I can't find them. So I find the other burgundy New Balance shoe. So we have one complete set now. New BINS had came out, so there are people looking through them, searching for that hot item. I missed the new rotation previously, but I wasn't going to miss this one. Do y'all see him with the sick moves? It's okay.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of time.
Back it up. Back it up. Hey. Back it up. Get back.
I ended up leaving these shirts behind. Moments later, they bought out even more bins on the opposite side of the store. So we rushed to the other side. Well, he rushed, I walked.
After her, there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's...
I always look for a gap where I could just squeeze in and grab a hot item, like this baseball cap. Y'all know I love hats. That hat should sell for about 20 bucks. I left the busy crowd and spotted these all white Vans. I'm sure I could clean them up, so I snagged these. They bought out a new rotation of BINS, but I was too late for these. As you guys can see, they were already being attacked.
Are you ready? It's showtime.
You're gonna get hurt if you get out of the way, man. I don't know what's going on when I'm not here, but get out of the way. Uh-oh. Get out of the way.
It's crazy.
Yes, it is.
I'm about to grab my best find of the day. But wait, where's the other pair? I now have this Jordan and Adidas shoe with no matching pair. I also grabbed these Vans. I figured they'll do well for me. Can I buy the matching shoe from you? Oh, you sure? Thank you. That was so sweet of her. I tried to pair, but she said no. But here are the shoes after I cleaned them up. And guess what? They already sold on Facebook Marketplace for 80 bucks. Now, if only I could find the matching Jordan. No. I wish.
That one?
Yeah, I just found these.
Like thrifting time.
Yeah. Question, would you guys have given up or looked for the other Jordan? Comment down below, let me know. While looking for the Jordan, I found another pair of Vans, all white, size 11 men. Talk about filling your cart. Sheesh, that cart is full. I searched high and low for that Jordan shoe. I asked other sellers. No one said they saw it. It is now time to check out.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
This one's 5, okay?
Okay, that's all right.
If we do it by weight, it's gonna be more.
Okay, appreciate you.
So 43.24.
All right, debit. Candy Crew. It was a sad day in the BINS today. I couldn't find that matching 990 or the Jordan. I searched and I couldn't find that shoe. But good news, prior I found these 990s. They're baby size. And I paid $5.99 at Savers and I had a coupon. But these are baby size. I wanted the big size. But I got some good other stuff. I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna share a picture of the all white Vans before. I ended up washing them and using Pure Castle soap to clean them, and it came out perfect. The Vans are listed for 30 bucks. Here are the Chucks before. They didn't require much. I washed them, then I went over them with a hot warm towel with a little bit of Pure Castle soap. I have the Chucks listed on Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. Here are the New Balance shoes before. These required a little bit of work. After I washed them, I had to put my back into it, and I cleaned them with some Pure Castle soap. These shoes are currently listed on Facebook for 50 bucks. Here's the hiking bag. I should be able to get 50 bucks for this. Then I have this new mirror messenger bag. I should be able to get 15 bucks for this. It retails for $26.99. I have the hydration packs. I should be able to get $15 per bag. I can get 20 bucks for this pea hat. And another 20 bucks for this Blue Jays hat. Now these Vans, I couldn't wash them because of the material, so I just used Pure Castle soap to clean the trim. And I also have these listed on Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. And they should sell because they're a custom color and a big size. I also have this Harley Davidson sweater. I'm going to ask for 15 bucks for it because it's used. I spent a total of 43 bucks. So we cleaned up today. I got a lot of Vans too. How much you going to make from this say $44? Sad day at the BINS. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, keep hustling, staying positive. Peace.